Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. Fayola Evans-Roberts, Supervisor of Insolvency, and Gabrielle Munoz of the Office of the Government Trustee shared the concept of eminent insolvency as a tool to get 12 months breathing room in financial challenges. Persons struggling with making payments on debt valued over $300,000 can reach out to the Office of the Supervisor of Insolvency for them to negotiate with their creditors and get 12 months breathing room. This information was shared in a webinar in honor of World MSME Day. The OSI and OGT are the government agencies charged with helping individuals and businesses overcome debt challenges. In the webinar hosted at the Small Business Association of Jamaica offices of 2 Trafalgar Road, it also featured Natalie O'Doyen, Senior Director, MSME Division of the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce. Peter Rose Hall, manager of BPM Financial, is calling for an increase in the sum of money employees and employers contribute to retirement savings. Rose Hall, speaking on Monday, recommended that the average contribution to approved retirement schemes be gradually increased from 10% of an employee's salary to 12%. Under her proposal, employees and employers would each contribute 6%. She noted to R Today that although tax relief is available on conditions of the 20% of an employee's salary, the current average contribution is not sufficient to protect retirees from longevity risk, where pension savings are exhausted before the end of a person's lifetime. She also expressed concern that fewer than 20% of Jamaica's 1.4 million workers are enrolled in approved retirement schemes, worsening the country's retirement savings challenge. She pointed to similar discussions in the United Kingdom, where pension experts are advocating an increase in the minimum pension contribution from 8% to 12% of employees' earnings. For the trading period of June 29, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 17,927,190 units, representing 31.31% of market sales activity. Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 5,228,693 units, representing 9.13% of market sales activities. Jamaica Teas Limited with 4,038,494 units, representing 7.05% of market sales activity. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for June 29, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $158.22 and buying at $156.36. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $7.19 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $113.22 and was bought for $106.03. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $3.91 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $209.99 and was bought for $206.08. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, when love meets debt. We want to talk about a strategy for financially unequal relationships. One of the most overlooked conversations in a relationship isn't about love. It's about your credit score, your access to credit, your credit worthiness. What happens when one partner has a low credit score and significant debt, while the other has spent years building excellent credit and avoiding debt altogether? Ignoring the issue is not a strategy. Financial differences don't end relationships. Poor financial communication does. Rather than allowing debt to become a source of conflict, treat it as a joint project with individual accountability. Consider these principles. First, lead with transparency. Then protect before you combine. Create a debt recovery roadmap. Respect different money philosophies. Focus on the future, not on the past. When couples develop a shared financial strategy, they stop arguing about money and start building wealth together. For our Funded and Focused feature, the growth decision most business owners get wrong is that many entrepreneurs believe the answer to growth is simple: work harder and get more customers. But sustainable growth usually requires choosing where to build your next capability. There are two distinct growth strategies. Strategy 1, grow through more clients. Strategy 2, grow through more capital. The right strategy at the right time can transform a business. So which challenge are you solving for right now? Attracting for more clients or gaining access to more capital? And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.